Motor Vessel Precision calling Batangas Vessel Traffic Service on Channel 16, over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is Batangas Vessel Traffic Service. Please switch to Channel 12 for further communication, over.
Switching to Channel 12, over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is Batangas Vessel Traffic Service. Please proceed with your message, over.
Batangas Vessel Traffic Service, this is Motor Vessel Precision requesting permission to enter the port. Here is our information. Ship name, Motor Vessel Precision, call sign 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3 ETA 0800 hours local time. Drop 12.3 meter. Number of personnel on board 3-4. Gross tonnage 23210 metric tons. Type of cargo, iron ore. Cargo on board 12304 metric tons. Dangerous cargo on board, yes, 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3. Port of destination, Batangas Port Terminal, over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is Batangas Vessel Traffic Service. Your request to enter the port is acknowledged. Please proceed to the designated anchorage area and wait for further instruction, over.
Batangas Vessel Traffic Service, proceeding to the designated anchorage area. Motor Vessel Precision, standing by on Channel 12, over.